Going to discuss how to find a square root of a perfect square number by prime factorization method. So already we should be knowing it is a perfect square. Suppose we are going to find what is the square root of 3600. Friends, we know that square root of 3600 is 60, but how to find it by prime factorization method? Friends, we know very well any composite number can be written as product of prime numbers, right? So 3600 is also a prime composite number. So I am going to prime factorize 3600. So first it can be written as 2 into 1800. So it can be written as 2 into 2 into 900. So it can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 450. So like that we can go on 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 225. So after that we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 75. So then again 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. 25 I am writing it as 5 into 5. Clearly we know in a perfect square number all the prime factors we get, they will be 2 times or 4 times or 6 times. Always they will be in pairs. So here see 2 is for 2 times and 4 times, 3 is for 2 times, 5. So what we have to do to find the square root, from every pair we have to take one number. 2, from this pair 2, from this pair 3, from this pair 5. So it means from every pair I am taking one number. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, 4 into 15. That means what is 4 into 15? The answer will be 60. The answer will be 60, my dear friends. So like this we can get, this is the procedure to find the perfect square, the square root of a perfect square number by using prime factorization method. So let us try with some small numbers. Suppose my dear friends, here we will take one more example. I am taking a number called 81. So 81 can be written as 3 into 27. So 3 into 3 into 9. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So from this pair I am taking one number called 3. From this pair I am taking one number called 3. So 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So we know very well square root of 81 is equal to 9. So with the small numbers also we verified. So when they tell that it is a perfect square, definitely when you prime factorize it, so all the prime numbers that you get, they should be always in pairs, 2 times or 4 times or 6 times. So from every pair, that means from every 2, you have to take one representative and multiply them. Whatever the product you get, that is nothing but the square root of that so-called that given perfect square number. I hope you liked our technique. Please subscribe to our channel, Mark Institute.